In this video, we are going to use Antigravity in a completely empty folder. We are going to tell it to create reports, create a manual, and walkthroughs with screen recordings of what it did. So it has never visited this site before, so it's behaving like a person in a new city, getting all the information, creating a manual about the city and report about the city and screen recordings about the city. So this will be exciting. I'm going to give you the free prompt at ramaken.gumroad.com so that you can practice it on your end and feel the power of AI in real time. All right, so let us check the results. So let's check the results that it did. So if we can see over here, this is the screen. Let's check the results. Discovery. Let's go back again. Okay, so over here, this is the manual that it created. It went through the site. This is the site. So this is the site that it went through. We've featured it in our last video. So it went there, it created this manual, this beautiful manual. It talks about how the site is and everything. And then after that, it created the walkthrough. So it walked through the site, as you can see over here. This is a good video showing you it walking through the site step by step. So this is the discovery. This is the first one. Let me increase the size. So you can see this is the first one, moving discovery, and then this is the full test run. All right, you can see that is really perfect. That is really perfect. So it created that, and then now we have the manual, and it also created the report. So it tells you which scenario it tested, initialization, node management, configuration, and everything. This is really amazing. So AI acts like a super intelligent human being. It's aware about the environment. It can create a manual. Oh my God, this is amazing. Create a manual and walkthroughs and record it. Next, we are going to be, in our next video, we're going to be creating test, maybe Selenium test, so that you can run it on your desktop. I'll give you the prompt. So make sure to check the prompt at ramaken.gumroad.com. All right. So, okay. Thank you very much and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.